Hey, every real estate agent I know right now is doing the same exact thing. More posting, more chasing of leads, working more hours, but you don't have a lead problem. Most agents have a systems problem. I've spent nearly a decade behind the scenes at all of the best and biggest real estate tech companies like Boomtown, KVCore, Inside Real Estate, Lofty, and the greatest agents in the country. They're not hustling harder, they have systems. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you how to become the automated agents with systems that create hand-raising leads, CRM automations that do all of the nurture and workflow follow-up for you, and the AI infrastructure to 10x your output. Because the future of real estate isn't about working harder, it's about building a business that grows even when you're not working it. I'm Josh Pono, and I'm the icon of this masterclass.